strikes again. Whoa, some niggas bitter with life and they hate me. They wanna put a knife in my ribs. Whoa, way this shit set up, I live like Ronaldo, but I never been in Madrid. Whoa, she said that she working, I told her come over and we could get right at the crib. Whoa.
Oh shit. Today I got a couple packages to unbox for you guys. I don't even want to waste any time. We're gonna get into this in a second. Just give me 1 second to put this shit down because I'm tripping. Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. As you guys just saw, I have a ton of packages to open for you guys from Supreme Week 1. Shit is about to get lit and intense up in here. Hopefully I get a lot of bouncy balls because I am gonna be giving one of those away for you guys. All you have to do is DM me proof that you did click the post notification bells, and on the next video I will announce a winner for that. Also, go ahead and click the link at the top of the description if you guys do want to win a Gons tee from Supreme Spring Summer 18. Now that's a lot of self-promotion, but without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. So bang, right here we got our first package that I'm gonna open. This feels like a tee, but I don't know. So we got the ordinary Supreme bag right here. Then inside the bag, we got the shirt and a couple other goodies that they do give for week 1. We do have the shirt right here. This is the cutout tee. I don't think you guys saw this in the video because I bought this afterwards when I was still surfing around on the website. I actually managed to scoop this up. Pretty good tee. I actually do like it, and I feel like the colors pop on this way more than the other blues or reds and other colors like that. Since the color of the shirt is more muted, you can see the squares on it way more. But we did get a bouncy ball with this order, which is super clean. We're gonna keep a count on how many of these I do get. These are actually pretty sick in my opinion. This is one of my favorite gifts that they've given so far, honestly, that I've actually managed to get. The toothbrush was sick, but this is super clean, bro. Yeah, this is super fire, bro. Super clean. Glad I got one in my first order. That's honestly pretty lucky. Oh shit. And here we got the tee. I'm gonna open this for you guys because I am probably gonna be keeping this one. I really love the tees that Supreme dropped. That's like my favorite thing to cop from them. This is a size XL and we got all those cutouts right here. You have the Supreme branding right around here. I think it's a classic logo, but it's still pretty clean. Really do like this tee, and this is my second Supreme navy tee, I guess. Super clean pickup. We also did get a sticker pack, but I'm gonna be talking about all the stickers at the end of the video, so stay tuned. I'm gonna just put them to the side, then we'll see what we got at the end. Here we got package number 2, and we do have our Supreme samurai knife. This is actually fairly sharp, being that it's a small ass keychain knife. But yeah, and here we actually got 2 packages, so let's see what we do got. We did get another bouncy ball. I'm gonna show you guys that at the end. We got another sticker pack in here with different stickers. I'm gonna show you that at the end. And we do have our thermos. This is actually a really clean piece. I actually really like the fact that they made this for some reason. This is like a laminated, like it's stuck on there with tape. I actually do like how this looks, so I'm gonna leave it on there. But there is a box logo like right under this. It's way smaller. I do like the way it looks like this. Not gonna lie to you, but inside here, we got the spoon, which is honestly really fire. Like, this is my favorite piece that dropped the whole season so far. I'm not even talking about the thermos, I'm talking about the spoon mainly. I just like the spoon, to be honest. Super clean in my opinion. Really like the branding on it, and it is an unfoldable spoon. I am gonna make a video on basically using my Supreme or hyped accessories because I feel like they go unnoticed and they never really get used. I might eat some cereal from this, I don't even know, but this is super clean and a great addition to the collection, honestly. And here we do have another package which I'm gonna be opening. Got another bag in here, and I already know it does come with a bouncy ball. I could feel it from the package. Got another one right here. That's 3 so far, keep count. We got another sticker pack, another Madonna sticker. I'm gonna show you that at the end. And then here we do got a level keychain. Now I feel like this keychain is basically for free because if you sell the bouncy ball and the stickers, you make more than what this costed. So it's really clean. I'm glad I got the red one. At first I was kind of pissed about it, but the red is really clean in my opinion. I feel like this is one of those useful accessories because if you need to level something out, you could actually use this. Like, bang, right there. This shit is super clean. You can see the little level going left and right. Once it's straight, it levels out in the middle basically. And if you didn't know what a level was, there you go. But yeah, we got the level keychain, we got the thermos, and we got a tee so far. This package is garbage. Here we got a big ass box that's not even heavy in the slightest. What if they put one shirt in here, bro? I'd be tight. Big ass box for no reason. I feel like I got through this unboxing pretty quick. We do got a big ass bag in here, nothing else. Oh shit. All right, so first we got more stickers. Leave that for the end. Another bouncy ball. I feel like they're putting these in every single package so far. That's another one right there. Bang, right here we got the waist bag. Honestly, when I first tried to cop it, I thought I got the black one because this one had sold out, but I'm really glad that I did end up with the purple one because this is really fire and it has the most resale. So let's open this shit real quick. This shit is hard, bro. I actually do really like this piece. Really clean. I like the color purple and the way that they implemented it on there. This is actually the same as the shoulder bag, but it's way smaller, so they just basically shrunk it and put it on here. We do have the strap. This season they do not have Supreme on it. I still feel like this is pretty sick. A lot of people are gonna lean towards the one from last season, but I actually do like this one more. It's way smaller, it's more compact, it's just more useful, you feel me? Because you don't need a big ass waist bag, but this is pretty fire. It gives me that retro vibe, and that is 3M on the bottom of it. You won't be able to see it because the lights are literally beaming on it, but we got that purple box logo right there. This is like a ripstop nylon material. We got a zip on the front. This is not Cordura. I am gonna do a review on these because those actually are a really good video for you guys to know what's real, what's fake, what to look for in the original version. We got this big pocket on the middle. You got 2 zips just in case you want to meet them right there. And then that's pretty much it as far as this goes. It does have like that wiring, but it's more tonal on it. You can't even notice it really. There you go. You can see it. It's like little bars going all throughout it. This is a really clean piece. And next up we got the shoulder bag, bruh. This is like my favorite shoulder bag that I own by far. This shit is fucking crazy, bruh. Really love this piece. Once I saw it, I was like, yo, that shit is hard. Like, I love the one from last season, don't get it twisted, but this one right here, the shape, the whole design, it's just super clean. This is for the personal for sure. This shit ain't going nowhere, bruh. This shit is clean. Look at that. Huge branding on the front, really like it. It's in 3M too, so that's crazy. You can double this as a waist bag too. You could fit your belt through here, and if you do that, you could put the strap in here. There's like a slot where you could slide the strap in, because I was thinking about that. I'm like, yo, the strap is connected on there, so how would you hide it? It does have like this slot right there where you could basically tuck the strap in. Really clean in my opinion. I really do like this, bro. This shit is crazy. I've seen people freak this and make it look super clean. Yo, this shit is hard, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. This shit is clean, bro. That's fresh, bro. Yeah, that's actually perfect. It's the perfect length, honestly. Really do love this piece, and I am gonna do an in-depth review and legit check on this, so stay tuned for that. That's probably gonna be one of my upcoming videos for sure. We have a pocket right here on the front. We got the middle pocket. We got these 2 little slots, 2 on the front, 1 on the back. It does have like Supreme inside of it, if you could actually see that. Right, yeah, you can right there. Really clean. Oh nah, I'm on some other shit. That's some bondage type shit. Bugging. But yeah, this shit is hard, bro. You got no pockets on the back. You do got that DP right there. Yeah, so that was the bags. Them shits actually really impressed me. I like the shoulder bag and the waist bag. Initially I was gonna sell the waist bag, but now that I'm looking at it, that's gonna be a hard one. That's gonna be a hard one. But yeah, we got another big ass box right here. You should already know what this is. My bad, bro. You shouldn't have to go through this. All right, so in here we got a wrap, we got a bag. Shit, huge bag right here. We got another box. Let's have a moment of silence, bro. What's the point of putting a box in a bag in a box? You could have just put this with like bubble wrap inside of the second box. It doesn't make no sense, but we're still here. We're still gonna open this. I'll be back when I open this box, to be honest. So far, I haven't seen no bouncy ball. I haven't seen no stickers, none of that, but we do got the toolbox. Shit is sexy, bruh. Why does it come in a bag in a box, in a bag in a box? I don't know what they're on, but this shit is crispy, bruh. Let's compare this to the step stool. The step stool was 288 beans. This was 118. Like, what the fuck? This shit is crispy, bro. That huge ass branding right there is really what got me. I honestly wasn't gonna get this at first, but I'm glad somebody convinced me to. Hey, we got 2 box logos and we got a bouncy ball, but we are gonna talk about that at the end. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but it does say Supreme right there. Yeah, you can see that. It is like a tonal, so you can't really notice it, but it's still there. That's just the attention to detail that I honestly like with these items. This is a big ass box. You could fit a whole lot of shit in here. Like, my head fits in there twice. Peep this. 2 times. I'm trying to tell you, this shit is humongous. You could actually fit a lot of stuff in here. Considering the fact that it is a toolbox, you can use this for other things. That's what I do like about Supreme. You can actually double this down as a fucking shirt box, a trunk. This right here is probably one of my favorite pieces that I picked up, not clothing wise, honestly, because I do pick up a lot of accessories, and this shit is the most bang for your buck you could get when it comes to Supreme. I don't know where this shit is gonna go because it is humongous. Like if I put this shit up here, bro, that's the only thing you will be able to see, and that's exactly what I might do. But this piece is clean. I just wish this shit was metal. It's plastic. The only plastic on there is this, which I don't like, but now we're just nitpicking, you feel me? This shit is clean. Here we got the last package. There's only a couple things that I'm missing, so I kind of have an idea what's in here, but I really don't at the same time. We got this little burgundy tee right here. At first when I saw this, I'm like, yo, I hate that color on it, but now looking at it in person, the color isn't half bad. I honestly do like this color, if I'm gonna say so myself, because I don't have anything like this. So I'm gonna open this real quick, then we'll get into the rest of the things that I have in that bag. This shirt is not half bad. I honestly have no shirts this color, so the fact that I added this to the itinerary is pretty clean, if you know what that means. You know what I mean? But yeah, this liquid tee, super fire. I actually do like the color, not gonna hold you. Yeah, this is something I wouldn't typically wear, but I'm gonna typically wear it now, if that makes any sense. This is Gallium, I think. Really clean piece, XL as usual. We did get more stickers, which I'm gonna show you at the end. Then we got another shirt in here. This is definitely my favorite shirt that dropped. I'm not even gonna lie, these next 2 shirts that I'm gonna show you, whoosh. This shirt right here is definitely for the personal. Can't have it no other way, because this is my favorite shirt. I don't even care about resale on this. This is the LSD tee. Yo, this tee is rough as fuck. I don't know, but yo, this is the LSD tee. Definitely one of my favorites, if I'm gonna say so myself. This shit is just super clean, especially in this black colorway. This is perfect. I feel like I have way too many black tees, but it is what it is at the end of the day. Can't resist, and it just looks way cleaner, bro. Like this on any other color does not look good. You cannot go wrong. It's just super clean. That LSD design is by far one of my favorites. I don't even know if this one came with stickers or not, but it did come with a bouncy ball. At this point, we're probably like at 6 bouncy balls maybe. One of those is gonna be yours, so I'm probably at 5. Last up, we got the fake box logo. This shit is, bruh, this shit is crispy. If you didn't go for this tee, you slept and you fucked up, because this one is hard. Got the mini box logo on the front. Bruh, you cannot go wrong with this. Look at that. Bruh, that's basically a BOGO. Like, am I tripping or am I not, bruh? Look at this shit. Then we have Supreme on the sleeve as well. That's just another little bit of detail. We got Supreme on the sleeve, which is really clean. We got that box logo on the front that says Supreme, made in 1994 or something like that. Since 1994. I really do like this color. Wish I would have got the navy one, but by the time I got to the tees, navy was gone, you feel me? That navy one was super clean. The cream one, which was the natural colorway, was fire too. And this one was hard too. Like, this shit is super clean. You're definitely gonna be seeing me wear this one. I like the fact that it's a long sleeve, believe it or not, because it's about to get cold outside, so this is perfect fall weather. Like right here, all you gotta wear is this with a little beanie or some shit and you're good to go, bro. That shit is hard, but that pretty much does it for all the pickups I have. I'm gonna show you guys all the stickers, the bouncy balls. Remember, if you want to win one of those, DM me proof of post notification bells and you're entered. The next video, I am gonna be announcing the winner for that, and there's 2 weeks left on the Gleam.io link where I'll be giving away a Gons tee. Make sure you guys check that out. I also am gonna be posting a fit pic on Instagram, so go ahead and show some love. I'm gonna take a picture later on today, post that thing for you guys. Let's get straight into these stickers, then we straight up out of here. This video is long as titty milk. So we got like 8 box logo stickers, which is the norm. You already know, tired of seeing them shits, but you can never have enough of these. We got the LSD sticker, which is also one of my favorites. I actually love this sticker. We got 3 liquid stickers, 1 in black and 2 in white. I actually like the way that it looks in black more. It makes the silver pop out better. So we do got the white version right here, the black version right here. I do like the black one better, if I'm gonna say so myself, but we got 3 of these. We got the Supreme FU sticker. It's way too many fingers for me to enjoy right there. We got the Madonna sticker right here, super clean. And it is holographic, which is another touch. These are just more stickers to the collection, but those are all the stickers. Those are all the packages. Look how dirty the bottom is. This shit is insane. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did end up enjoying, go ahead, leave a like down below, subscribe for more content like this. Click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you do want to enter in the giveaway. DM me proof that you click the post notification bells, and I will be giving away a bouncy ball on the next video, so stay tuned for that. And that pretty much does it for all I had for you guys today. If you did enjoy, go ahead, slap it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Strikes again, whoa. Some niggas bitter with life and they